The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the brain of a computer system. It is responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations that allow a computer to perform a wide range of tasks. A CPU is an electronic circuit that performs arithmetic and logic operations. It is the primary component of a computer system that executes instructions provided by software programs. The CPU consists of three major components: the control unit, arithmetic logic unit, and registers. The control unit manages the flow of data and instructions within the CPU and controls the operation of other components. The arithmetic logic unit performs arithmetic and logic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and comparison. Registers are temporary storage units that hold the data and instructions during processing. The history of CPUs dates back to the 1940s when the first electronic computer, the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, ENIAC, was developed. It used vacuum tubes to perform calculations and was the first computer to use a stored program concept. In the 1950s and the 1960s, the invention of the transistor paved the way for smaller, more efficient CPUs. The first commercial transistorized computer, IBM 7090, was introduced in 1959. In the 1970s, the introduction of microprocessors revolutionized the computer industry. The microprocessor, a CPU on a single integrated circuit, made it possible to create smaller and more powerful computers. The Intel 4004, introduced in 1971, was the first commercially available microprocessor. In the 1980s, the development of personal computer PC and the graphical user interface GUI drove the demand for more powerful CPUs. Intel 8086, introduced in 1978, was the first CPU used in an IBM PC-compatible computer. In the 1990s and early 2000s, CPUs became faster and more powerful, allowing for complex software applications. The introduction of multi-core CPUs, which have multiple processing cores on a single chip, increased processing power even further. Today, CPUs continue to evolve with the introduction of new technologies such as artificial intelligence and quantum computing. These advancements are driving the development of faster and more efficient CPUs. The history of CPUs is a fascinating journey that has seen the development of faster, more powerful, and efficient processors. From the early vacuum tube computers to the latest multi-core processors, CPUs have played a critical role in the development of modern technology. With advancements in artificial intelligence and quantum computing, we can only imagine what the future holds for CPUs.